Wake up, it's a sunny day. Birds are singing, come and play. Elsa smiles, let's go outside. Anna laughs, it's swimming time. Snowflake twirls in her tiny suit. Rose says, Mommy, look how cute. They grab their towels, pink and blue. Off to the lake with morning dew. Let's swim, let's splash. Swim, let's splash. Swim, let's splash. Splash, splash, wiggle your toes. The water's trickling, off it goes. Hold on tight, don't float away. It's our first swim, hip hip hooray. Splash, splash, swim so free with Mommy's love and family. Elsa and Anna side by side, two little girls with eyesight. Elsa waves her hand so high. Snowflakes sparkle in the sky. They twinkle, shimmer, soft and white, making water glow so bright. Anna claps and starts to sing. Rose joins in, her voice takes wing. Mommy, Mommy, look at me. She floats with joy so easily. Kick, kick, swirl around. Unhappy laughter's all we sound. Splash your hands and touch the sky. The world feels magic when we try. Elsa hugs her snowflake tight. Hannah cheers with pure delight. Side by side, their hearts all gleam. Together they're the pepper Little waves go swish and sway, ho chasing giggles all the way. Snowflake whispers, I love you. Rose replies, me too, me too. Elsa smiles, our